that made me smile. I saw you and me when we were 5. The times of holding hand in the dark, just to feel safe, yeah, in the night. Another picture when we're 16 years old. Life was about partying all day long. We loved to dress up for the boys. But when you stole my clothes, you really pissed me off. You are the one who finishes my sentences, who carries my load and holds my hand, my soulmate till the end, who makes my dreams come true, the one I love to be my soulmate till the end. I saw a picture that made me cry. I saw you and me when we're 25. The time of holding hands in the dark, just to feel strong in this crazy fight. You are the one who finishes my sentences, who carries my load and holds my hand, my soulmate till the end, who makes my dreams come true, the one I love to be my soulmate till the end. You're the one who sees right through me. You're the one who speaks my language. Do I have to let go of your hand? And I'm sorry I couldn't be there every second you needed me, and couldn't take away the pain underneath your beautiful smile. I can't let go of your hand, 'cause I need you, I need you, I need you in my life. Finishes my sentences, who carries my load and holds my hand, my soulmate till the end, who makes my dreams come true, the one I love to be my soulmate till the end, my soulmate till the end, you're my soulmate till the end. Oh, thank you, angels, for giving me my lovely sister.